PivotWorks is the original, fast, easy, and complete solution when it comes to rebuilding your dirt bike or ATV's chassis and suspension. Today we're going to show you what you get with the PivotWorks Shock Rebuild Kits. Included in each kit is the new billet aluminum seal head that's made in the USA. And it includes a new shock shaft seal and shock shaft bushing, a new shock piston ring and new neoprene nitrogen bladder, a new shock bumper and any necessary O-rings, and a new shock shaft nut. PivotWorks Shock Rebuild Kits are the only complete shock rebuild kits on the market, even including some parts the OEMs don't offer, and each component in these kits are the exact OEM replacement. These shock rebuild kits will restore your shock's performance to where it was when your machine was brand new. With an industry-first lifetime replacement program on all their products, PivotWorks has you covered for life. That's right, if you're the original owner and your PivotWorks kit has expired as a result of ordinary wear and tear, you're covered with a free replacement. It's that simple. Your shock literally takes a beating every time you ride. It gets put to use over every bump and jump you encounter. Over time, the shock oil breaks down, starts to get contaminated, and the internal part of your shock, like the bushings, begin to wear out. Some of these parts are not available separately from the OEMs. So if they are worn out, the OEMs make you buy a complete shock, or you have to find some specialty suspension shop to get the parts. PivotWorks simplifies all of this. If you put a lot of hours on your machine, you should perform a maintenance service on your suspension at least annually. PivotWorks Shock Rebuild Kits make servicing and maintaining your shock simple by including everything you need for a complete rebuild. If you're just performing regular maintenance or you notice a steady flow of shock oil leaking down the shock shaft, stop wasting time and money with the OEMs and restore that plus shock action with a PivotWorks Complete Shock Rebuild Kit today. If you have any questions or comments, contact us at 515-402-8000 or visit our website at pivotworks.com and fill out that contact us form. For the original, fast and easy, complete solution, it's gotta be PivotWorks.